Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can sell a digital product on Etsy. So let's get started. To sell a digital product on Etsy, you have a seller account and you have to select a perfect product that will sell and it's also in trending. So let's search for a perfect product that we will sell on Etsy. Let's search digital. Here are 10 lakh ads, मतलब 10 lakh posts that are selling. So let's let's select major parts. Is a professional mid-journey prompt guide. No. Then next, first we have to change to price to USD. That will be perfect. These are not currency USD. Just changing to US dollars. So as you can see, this is like $26. $8 product. This is like art. You can say it is digital product. All you can say like baby print, this planners, all the things are here. You can just like monkey with headset listening to music. 2500 plus prompts you can see as this. As as I know, digital products are good to sell because you have to make one time and then it will sell automatically to the consumer. You can see some products like digital planners are best to sell in my detail and it's easy to make. You can sell a newspaper template, note taking. You can sell this types of, this is aesthetic planner, digital planner, wedding invitation. Yes, you can make a business card also. There are many things. So let's search for t-shirt designs or t-shirt mockups. You can see this t-shirt design is selling for like about like 4,35,000. Yes, you can see this is looks good. We can sell digital products also by by inspiring this. To make a digital product, we can use canva.com. Let us open canva.com. Canva is open. Let us now find the product that one we want to sell. Let us sell the digital planner. So to sell digital planner, you have to select the template. We can select the templates from here. As we can see, there are recommended. There is flyers, template, presentations, stories, logos, t-shirt, Instagram post, Facebook post. We can sell planners or t-shirt designs. We can select. Let us select a weekly planner or a year planner also. That will be good. It is the daily planner. We can also select. We can select weekly or yearly planner that will sell. Like this is looking good. We can just use this. In Canva, you can be creative and you can create your digital planner or t-shirt or anything that will sell and that is in trending. So you can just wait until it's making. So you can just edit this weekly planner, week of the month, week of month. You can make mock-up of it also. Let's make. I am selecting this. I am just saving it as a PNG. Let's wait, it's downloading. So we can select as a new product also. We can save on our downloads folder. Let us save as, like, we can save in this only, or we can save on this. Let's save in t-shirt designs. Let us select this only. So to let us download this, we can make mockup of it also. Let's make a mockup. To make a mockup, you can just create a new design and go to home, cut this. Then we have to create a new design in A4 because it is printed. We can create A4 design. We can import our image. To this we can import. As we can see, it's loading. Here is our image. You can make a mock-up of it. To make mock-up, you can just click on this edit image. At last you can see this mock-up. You can just there is issue to our end, so there are issue in Canva, but you can make mock-up by using this button, like here. You can make mock-up. So after doing all things, you have to go on Etsy and set up a store. Basically my country is India, that's why I'm selecting India. You can save, you can name the shop, you can create a name like digital 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 by upper. Like, let's say click this. Do next, pick a name a store of your name. We have pick. Then stock your shop. Let's put the images that we have made. It's here to new project. You can just copy it here. We can adjust our thumbnail also. We can just do minimize and we can select the top. We can save our thumbnail. We can upload a video also, and let's do title. Basically it's a digital product. We have to select a title that shows it's a digital product. Digital planner for weeks. Who made it? I did. What is it? Finished product. When I made recently. It is a category of planner. Here we can select this planner and calendars. We can select this party planner digital. We can select our main color. It's about skin color. I am not, here is not a skin. I can just blank because it's optional. Secondary color can select. You can select type you can select as a digital because it's a digital product. You can select your renewal option. Each post you will be charged for 4 months, for first 4 months, as 0.20 cents. And you can describe your products. It's a week planner. You can just put the tags. Let's put digital. Let's put planner. Let's put together digital planner. You can put as Digital planner for Gen Z. You can put anything that you want. 10 tags. You can put material. We have used Canva. You can use a material of Canva. You can set the price. Let us set price. It is set on Indian rupees. In your country, which currency you can put that price. I am selecting like 299. Here you can select the quantity. One. Personal. You can just upload the digital files that you have made. So I am uploading these files. Let's upload this. Then next, there is no return policy for the digital products. Then you have to do save and continue. Here is our first listing, and you can do it later. Then you have to verify yourself. If you are verified, then it will be directly posted in your shop. So if you find this video helpful, then please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.